Hello guys, today we are going to customize the WordPress dashboard admin menu. To customize, first you have to install Admin Menu Editor plugin. Using this plugin, you can easily customize your WordPress dashboard menu in whatever way you want. Let's start the video. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover your mouse on the plugin section. Click on Add New button. Search here Admin Menu Editor. Let's install and activate this plugin. Now go to Settings and click Menu Editor. This will take you to this page. Now let's say you want to hide or remove this menu item. Just select the item here. Now click here. It will show you a pop-up. Click on Hide it from all users. Then click Save Changes. As you can see, the menu has been removed. And if you want to change this menu name, click here and enter the name you want. Now to change this menu icon, click here. Then click here. Now select the icon you want. Then click Save Changes. Here you can see that the menu name and icon has been changed. Now if you want to rearrange the menu items, just drag and drop like this. Then click Save Changes. And the order will be changed. This way you can easily customize your dashboard admin menu files to your website. You can also check our other plugins. We have several WordPress plugins. The most popular plugins are Top Table of Contents and WP Mobile Bottom Menu. Check out the link in the description. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.